Nashville zoolumination. We're going to zoolumination. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Sweet in the morning when I look at your face, I love you. Oh, my little daughter, you're the meaning of grace, I love you. And I'm like, take a little piece of your heart.
Another frog.
Yeah?
Talking in your sleep, I wonder what you're dreaming up, dear.
This is the ice rink you were talking about?
Stars above you.
I got flat. That's really cool.
Take another little piece of my heart.
Giant
Emma's the rat. Oh yeah. Here's Iris. Iris, is that you? Here's Iris.
In 2030, it's going to be the year of the moon.
This is where
How do I zoom and stuff?
then leave your take on it. There's a place that we go and look at the lights and splinter.
Oh, hi. Do you want to wave?
There's plenty of gas to
Oh. This is so cool. I really like lights.
I told you. It's not anything. It's the polar express. These are pretty. Do that.
You hold this here, yeah.
Daddy.
How is zoolumination? Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Having so much fun? Mm-hmm. Double thumbs up.
I will love you more. I will love you forever more. Leave your take on it. This is where you'll always wanna be. Next to me. This is where you'll always wanna be.
There, it's recording already. Okay. Cute.
Abby.
Sorry.